Sakal Gunaarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
When the Lord was engaged in his pastimes of the Ras dance in the forest of Vṛindāvan, enlivening the sexual desires of the wives of the inhabitants of Vṛindāvan by sweet and melodious songs, a demon of the name Shankakuda, a rich follower of the treasurer of heaven, Kuva, kidnapped the damsels, and the Lord severed his head from his trunk. We should carefully note that the statements described herein are the statements of Brahmaji to Narad, and he was speaking to Narad of events that would happen in the future during the advent of Lord Krsna. The pastimes of the Lord are known to the experts who are able to see past, present, and future, and Brahmaji, being one of them, foretold what would happen in the future. The killing of Shankachuda by the Lord is a more recent incident, after the Ras Lila, and not exactly a simultaneous affair. In the previous verses we have seen also that the Lord's engagement in the affairs of the forest fire was described along with his pastimes of punishing the Kaliya snake, and similarly the pastimes of the Ras dance and the killing of Shankachuda are also described herein. The adjustment is that all these incidents would take place in the future, after the time when it was being foretold by Brahmaji to Narad. The demon Shankachuda was killed by the Lord during his pastimes at Horika in the month of Falgun, and the same ceremony is still observed in India by the burning of the effigy of Shankachuda one day prior to the Lord's pastimes at Horika, generally known as Holi. Generally, the future appearance and the activities of the Lord or his incarnations are foretold in the scriptures, and thus the pseudo-incarnations are unable to cheat persons who are in knowledge of the events as they are described in the authoritative scriptures.